Set up with your stance foot on the ground slightly in front of a stable surface and your free leg resting lightly on top of that surface behind you. When you're standing tall, the free leg should sit on the box at about a 90-degree knee angle, and the foot should be able to slide forward and backwards smoothly. A towel or a sock can help here. Before loading this movement, ensure your setup feels natural and comfortable by performing a few body weight reps. Stand tall, keep a small bend in the stance leg knee, and brace your trunk. Without bending the stance leg's knee any further, begin by slowly kicking the free leg straight back, lightly sliding on the surface behind you, promoting a clean hinge in the stance leg's hip and keeping your spine long. No collapsing forward here. Keep your free leg's toes pointing straight down. Don't let them rotate outwards. If you're using a barbell, let it slide naturally along the front of your stance leg, thigh, and knee as you hinge. Don't let the bar drift forward. For dumbbells and kettlebells, keep them traveling along the same vertical line close to your leg, maintaining a consistent path. As you lower, feel the tension build in the back/outside portion of the stance leg's hip and through the hamstring. The lower back should feel supported, and some load will be experienced through it, but ensure it doesn't feel overloaded or like it's doing all of the work. Keep your body over the stance leg, pressuring through the heel on the floor and avoiding putting too much weight in the sliding leg. It's there for light balance only. Definitely do not let your body drift backwards behind your stance leg. This means you're putting too much pressure on the sliding leg, and this can be dangerous and unstable. If you don't have a sliding surface that works, mimic the same motion. Reach the free leg back as if sliding, kicking back towards the back wall, then drive the knee forward as you hinge back up. Once your movement feels under control and feels clean, you can begin by adding speed to the movement. From here, introduce a faster eccentric load or lowering phase of the motion. Begin by adding a little more velocity on the way down, sliding or reaching the free leg straight back and keeping the toes pointed down. Maintain pressure through the heel of the stance foot, keep your ribs braced down, and control your alignment as you descend. This should feel fast, but it should never feel sloppy. At the bottom, absorb the load and transition smoothly into a powerful concentric drive back up to a standing position. Push through the stance heel, squeeze the glute, and bring the free leg forward on the same path. Gradually increase your eccentric velocity each rep, building towards your greatest but safest effort. After each rep, evaluate whether the motion feels controlled and whether the work is happening in the stance leg, hamstring, and glute. If everything feels solid, continue ramping up the speed intelligently, chasing velocity and power without losing movement quality. If the movement doesn't feel under control, or if you don't feel confident in the movement, then cap your velocity at a comfortable level and focus on clean, quality reps. And then as the program goes, we'll continue adding velocity as we feel more comfortable with the movement. The goal here is fast down, powerful up, with clean control, stable mechanics, and strong intent.